The floods did not stop in the north. Just a week later, rising waters swept across Punjab. Villages were cut off, families stranded, and once again, lives were torn apart. And once again, we responded. Every single day, we are delivering hot meals to families in Narowal, in Jhang, and in Rahim Yar Khan too. A warm meal may seem small, but for those who have lost everything, it is hope. But food is only one part of the response. Together with the Rural Development Foundation, we established a temporary medical camp in Narowal, treating the injured, caring for the sick, and protecting families from further suffering.
सर मुझे जेल का मसला था, यहाँ ना एलर्जी हो गई थी, ये पेट के खारिश के दाने बन गए थे, जिसकी वजह से सर में उधर लई दवाई माशाल्लाह उन्होंने पूरा किया साढ़े नाल तावन किया उन्होंने, कोई पैसा नहीं कोई चीज़ नहीं.
The floods may keep spreading, but so does our response. And with your support, we can continue to reach every human. Donate now.